Okay, Rua de Nam Keng, so we're gonna walk directly down that way, and stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rua de Nam Keng. So we're just gonna walk down this way. This is some construction that they're doing right here because they're building this Avenida de Guimarães. So what we're gonna do is just walk straight down. Dragon. So we're in part of Taipa. And yeah, this is kind of in Taipa Centro. And when we get down further, we're gonna see some more cooler things, I think. But right at this particular moment, it's kind of near that construction, and that road is being transformed. There's a light rail line with a pedestrian area that's being built. So that'll probably be a completely different kind of area in the future. There's this one. Rua de Nam Keng. So that's that one that we were just on, was this one. Kind of the funky looking building right there. We're just walking next to that one. We're gonna keep on walking all the way down. Some good restaurants here, including Japanese one, Kimono. Nice decor. Eskimo. Here's a supermarket. And boxes. Parking garage. Speaking of parking, you can see all the way people park motorbikes and such here. We're gonna try to go Batman. And I need to go to the bank, so I'm gonna it's a Chinese traditional medicine shop right there. I need to go to this bank right here. But maybe we'll just keep going down a little bit further. Rua de Nam Keng. Yeah, we might as well go all the way down. Go to the bank later, eh? So you get more of an idea of how everything looks. We're only 3 minutes in. Baby store. Chinese hot pot. With some nice hot spicy foods there. Parking garage. Yeah, we're kind of at the noonday sun. Let's go a little bit further. You should see the end of the street anyways, because then it turns into something a little bit different. But this is the bulk of the street. Japanese restaurants, pharmacy, another supermarket over there. Another, this street can be quite a bit busier. This is a parking garage, but the street that we're on can be a lot busier in the evening. But right now it's a Wednesday around 12 noon, so. And we're gonna end it in a minute. So I think what we'll do is we'll just walk across the street and we'll look back at it. It's kind of an unusual way to cross over here. Kingsville. Buses in this area. People say I'm going to Kingsville. It means I'm going to go to the bus stop right at that spot. And that's the road that we were just on. Was that one? And then this one is kind of a nice little area. Whole other street right here that's pretty cool little space. So you got some bus stops. So yeah, that whole area is pretty cool. And then this one I've always liked, got like this little chair right there. And then you see those right there? Those are always really cool there. So what we're gonna do is go back to our street. And our street's just focused right here, so we're gonna go down to that in a minute. Got a little bakery right here. It's a French style bakery. 3 for phones, Japanese. So yeah, there's a Japanese ramen izakaya. And that's the street we're just on, Rua de Nam Keng. Tall buildings. We'll end it right there.